This is Abhishek. Are you ready to transform your business and unlock the unparalleled growth? Join the 5-day Study Abroad Business Challenge absolutely free. Imagine boosting your sales and revenue to build a 7-figure study abroad business in just 5 days. This challenge is designed to show you the exact step-by-step method for generating the new sales and growing your company revenue. Whatever the study metro has implemented, I'll give it to you in just 5 days. So no more struggling to find the students or increase your revenue. With our proven strategy, you'll unlock the secret to building a successful business and creating the unlimited students leads. Here is what you will learn during the 5 days challenge. We'll start from day one, unlocking the secret to building a successful business, the 5 essential business assets, building the sales and marketing assets, creating the unlimited students leads, providing you what is the lead magnet and their secret, unlocking the marketing success with the 7 secrets of level, AI lead generation. All we will teach you one by one. A few years ago, I just like you struggling to scale my business and find the consistent lead. By implementing this strategy, I transformed my business and achieved the extraordinary success. Now I'm here to help you to do the same. So to achieve these results, we'll cover the really very good topics here, which you can find it out in the page here, where we will talk to you about the how effectively traffic generation strategy you can implement, how you can launch your own funnel, how you can make your webinar successful with having our secrets, building your 1.0 sales machine, and understanding the students' conversion journey, how the students are coming and how you can convert them. One of our participants struggling with inconsistent enrollment saw it dramatically turn around by implementing our strategy. Within some months, they become a leading player in their region. With the strategy stream of the students' application significant their profit margin. So ready to elevate your education business and transforming the student success? Then join the 5-day Study Abroad Business Challenge for free. Sign up today and start your journey to becoming a leader in the education sector. Opportunity like this don't last forever, so act now. We are providing you to help for starting only 100 applications initially. So get immediate access on the on-demand learning academy for the self-paced learning. So join our weekly live calls as well every week, and you can have the on-demanded videos after signing up. You can find one by one all those things. So just give me your 5 days. I'll show you exact step-by-step method for generating the new sales and growing your company revenue. So join this 5-day Study Abroad Business Challenge for free. Today, I will look to you inside and I will give you all my strategy how to become a 7-figure company in short period. Thank you very much for watching this video and look inside to you. Bye-bye.